Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to download and install Flip on iPhone. So if you want to download and install Flip on your phone, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do as an iPhone user is just open up your Apple Store. Once you open it, then you can tap on the search icon at the right top corner of the screen. Just tap on this, then use the search bar and search for Flip. Once you tap on this, just search for ordinary Flip. Then the Apple Store will automatically search for the prompt, then visit, then just look for the one that you want, which is this particular app, the Flip app. Then right now just tap on get, then your phone will scan, your store will scan your Apple ID, then to request for your Face ID if you have Face ID enabled on your phone, and if it is not, if it is your Apple ID password that is request for, just input the Apple ID password, then install it to your phone. And after that, you can now go back to your home page, then you can navigate in within the app, then you can use it. And that's how you can download and install app, especially Flip on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.